Hello, I'm Sunny and this is a video for my personal project TestNG. All links are in the description. If you want to check it out for yourself, you can. TestNG is a project that uses Selenium to test out web UI on a particular page. And I'm using TestNG as a testing framework to execute test cases, and this entire thing is supported by Maven. And this is the whole test is written in Java. So for this you require Eclipse with the TestNG plugin and Maven. You can check out if you have Maven with set path. It should show up in your path environment variable, or just mvn-version, and it will be there. To begin, click on code, download the zip and unzip it. I already have it here. Once you have it, you should have these files. Next, have Eclipse, and we can go straight for import existing project and TestNG. Now initially you will get a red cross because Maven is downloading files and it will take some time for it to set up the rest of the thing. Now go on run configurations, and set up a new config like I've already done it here with new test, project, and the suite. The suite you are specifying already comes in, so you have to just click browse and it will be there. And we click on run. So this executes the test and the test goes blazingly fast. That first test was using the Firefox web browser or the Gecko engine. The second test again is Firefox. And the third test is Chrome in a headless situation, so you won't see it executed. Instead, it will just print out whether the test case is passed or not. Meanwhile, and here's the output of it. How many tests ran, how many passes, how many fails, and whether some tests were skipped or not. If you want to see the more detailed result, you can click on results and you can actually check out which ran, any failure exceptions, and so on. And if you want the HTML report, here is this button, open TestNG report, and it will show a web-based result. Now, it's a Maven project. Now pom.xml is the file that is used to build this project. It has the dependencies mentioned, so you don't have to download manually and set it up. So you have Selenium here, this is TestNG, and the plugin has been configured Maven Surefire for the future update if I want to write a personal reporter instead of using the default. The test that we ran basically read this file, TestNG suite.xml. Even in the run configuration, see, we mentioned it here, TestNG suite. So what does this do? This specifies what tests to run and what's the suite. You saw Firefox pop up twice, right? This is where it's reading it from. So you have the first test, Firefox. It executes every method in the file page test except check, drag, and drop. The second runs Firefox again, same test file, but executes the file check, drag, and drop and excludes everything else. The third is just Chrome running everything except check, drag, and drop. Now what I'm using is page object factory. That means every page that I check is a Java object. Simply put, all the DOM elements you specify in one place along with the operations that you do on them. and the test is in a separate file, and all it has are assert sequences.